Hey guys, my name is JJ. I'm one of the head detailers here at Flash Mobile Detailing, and this is our official YouTube channel. So do us a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. Let us know what you want to see next. So in today's episode, we're going to be doing a 1971 Porsche 911T. We're going to be doing our platinum package on it, which also includes paint correction. So we're going to make this paint look brand new again. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to get started on the interior now. We're going to start it off with a full vacuum. We're going to do steam decontamination across the full entire car and a full interior wipe down. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we just finished up the vacuuming portion of the interior details, so now we're going to get started on the steaming. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be spraying a carpet cleaning solution over the mat, and then I'm going to hit it with the steam scrub to try to get up any gunk that was under there, and then I'm gonna hit it with a post vac after to try to get everything out.
Hi, I'm Morgan. I'm with Flash Mobile Detail, and I'm about to begin the clay bar process. We use synthetic clay bar on the surface of the paint to prep for paint correction, and this decontaminates the surface. That way we're not adding any more swirls back into the paint. Hey guys, so after doing our test spot with the polish, we actually realized that we can actually go a little bit more aggressive with it, and it's coming out pretty great. So instead, I'm still using a softer pad, but I went back to the compound, and that's more of a little finer of abrasive. That way we can really get those swirls out. So let's get back to it.
Alright, so I just sprayed the tire and the face of the wheel with wheel degreaser, and so I was just hitting the spokes with the spoke brush, trying to get all the grime off of it. So now I'm going to get a little detail brush and get in between all of the little bolts for the three-piece wheels and make it look clean again. Alright guys, so we just finished up the car. We did the full paint correction on it, which brought the paint back to life. Then we hit it with our ceramic treatment soap to seal the whole entire car. So we are now finished with the Porsche. So again, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know how we did, what you would like to see next, and turn on the post notifications, and stay tuned for another video.